Hi, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can reset this phone or any smartphone you have that is Android to factory reset right here. I'm going to show you two methods, but the second method is going to be a different video. So look in the description for the second method when the video comes out. Now what you want to do is turn on your smartphone like so and head over to settings right here. You want to head over to your settings. This will work for any Android phone you have. Go right here and go down to where you see backups and resets right there, and then you see here backup my data, backup account, and then you see automatic restore, and then factory reset, which says reset all settings and delete all data on device right here. Click that and then reset device by clicking the reset. Just remember that this will erase everything on your camera. This will erase everything on your smartphone like so. This will delete right here, as it says right here, it says all data will be erased from device memory, including your Google account, system applications and settings, and downloaded applications, and everything on your device will get deleted. So now that you know that, I'm not responsible if you delete your phone data by accident. Click reset to reset your device. Yep, click that, and then click right here. It says erase all your personal information and downloaded apps. Data cannot be recovered. Click delete all right there, and then your device is gonna be resetting right there from factory reset. Just wait for that thing to be done right here.
TalkBack is a navigation feature for the visually challenged and impaired. To activate TalkBack, press the home key.
Now you see right there the smartphone right here, a Samsung Galaxy smartphone is reset. Now you just want to go through the whole loading process right here. Click the start, then Wi-Fi, but you can do that later. And then you can click yes right here, and then click that to understand the agreements. Then it says welcome, preparing your device for the first time use right there. Just so you know, this will work for any Android device. And it says enable to establish wireless connection. Click that, and then got Google. I'll say no for now. I'll say not now. Next. Then you can do that for now. Random name. You can put a random name or your actual name right there. I'm gonna skip everything for now. Right there, and you see right there, your smartphone is reset to factory reset, which means that nothing is gonna be stored on your camera right there. You see, nothing is stored on your phone right there. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to reset your Android device. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.